Shoes.
Why don't we have a look at this page?
Boots.
What does the bird say?
Video. Wow.
No, the bird doesn't say rawr. Yeah, let's try this one. What does the tiger say?
Wow.
That's right. Good job. What does the monkey say? Ethan, what does the monkey say?
Stop it.
Oh, you don't want to see that one. What does the cat say?
See bird.
That's the bird. The bird says tweet, tweet, tweet. The cat says meow, meow.
See bird cat.
Yeah, that's a cat too. What does the cat say?
Ooh.
Meow, meow. What does the dog say? What does the dog say? Woof, woof.
No. Stop it. How do you use this head?
Ethan, what's the monkey say?
What does the monkey say?
Tissue.
Hey, Ethan. Ethan, what does the monkey say?
Stop it.
What does the monkey say?
The apple cake.
What does the monkey?
Ow.
Yeah, what does the owl say?
Ooh.
It's kind of like that. Woo, woo. What does the monkey say?
Bitch.
What does the bird say?
Please.
What does the monkey say?
That's your kite food.
You know what the monkey says.
Fly.
No, that's the tiger.
Kite.
What does the cow say?
Kite.
What does the cow say? What does the cow say?
Kite say moo.
Yeah, that's right.
Little moo kite.
What does the monkey say? Does the monkey say? Woo, ah, ah, ah?
Kite. See mama. See mama kite.
Ethan's ready to go night-night?
No, don't cut. Mama, you almost say.
I think Ethan's ready to go night-night.
Home. Home.
Who are you going to call on the phone? Who are you going to call?
Oh,
Hello? Who are you calling? You calling Grandma?
You calling Nana, Ethan?
Nana.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Someone was crying.
You want to come out and play? Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
You and Dad call Nana for you?
Still Nana. Daddy.
You and Dad call Nana?
Still Nana. Hi.
You and Dad call Nana? Okay.